Hello kids, hello parents. Today we're gonna do some artsy DIY on the fly. The following video will show you how to paint a field of flowers. Our painting is going to be a bird's eye view. No, not that bird. A bird's eye view is simply what you see when you look straight down. So let me explain how we're painting. In fact, it's as simple as this. I'm gonna squirt some paint on a palette and we're gonna stamp the paint onto the canvas. Some of the flowers we're gonna be using are gonna be teeny tiny. So you're gonna notice that during the video, the hands will go from large to small. But we are totally cheating. Because my wife will be dealing with the small flowers. But this is for kids and it'll be fun. So let's get our canvas, our paint, more paint. Wait, and one more thing of paint. Our flowers. What's the other thing? Oh yeah, the palette. First, we're gonna start as the flowers do, with the dirt. I'm now gonna mix the paint with something called a painter's knife. Take my flower, dip it in the paint as if it were a brush, then stamp it on the canvas, like your mom would with the stamp. Wait, you don't know what a stamp is. Never mind. The point is, I'm gonna stamp it. Dip and stamp. I'm dipping and I'm stamping.
Dipping and I'm stamping.
And then some more. Then I'm gonna take my used flour and I'm just gonna brush it out and that'll be the dirt. Now that I've stamped and brushed out my dirt, it's time to add some grass. Now I need some green paint and some white paint. Now I'm gonna mix the paint with my painter's knife. Now I'm gonna dip and stamp my grass out with a different flower. I wanna pick a flower that's bursting with petals. So I'm dipping and I'm stamping. I'm dipping and I'm stamping. I'm dipping and I'm stamping and I'm dipping and I'm stamping.
I'm dipping and stamping, I'm dipping and stamping.
Now that we've made our grass, I'm gonna use some red or white or purple, whatever you want. Now I'm gonna use my painter's knife to make it look kind of like marble. Oops, that's not the color I want. Now that I have the paint mixed, I'm gonna paint my petals with an itty bitty brush. Now it's time to use the flour to make some flowers. Dip and stamp. Faster already. Seriously? Now this is the last step, other than letting it dry. I'm just using a stem to add some baby food. Just kidding, it's some yellowish paint for the center. And now that I'm dipped and stamped out, I'm done. And don't forget to help clean up. My mom just told me to tell you that. Maybe next time you're on a walk, see what inspires you. Steal some flowers from another yard. Wait, don't do that. Take your mom's flower, but you should probably ask, or ask your dad. He's more likely to say yes. Thanks for watching. Hit like and share if you want, and if you don't like it, do it anyway.